Hello everyone. To continue further with the CARSES dashboard in Tableau, we shall explore one more feature, a very interesting feature, that is creating a butterfly chart. Now it is in the similar way, using some tricks, as we could build the donut chart from the simple pie chart, which was a default chart in Tableau. We shall go for the butterfly chart. Now the purpose of butterfly chart is basically, as we are having two genders in the database, that is male and female. So if we need to know the trend of males and females, maybe for the selection of colors or for the transmission which is there available, that is maybe manual or automatic and so on, so in a nice way it can be represented in a butterfly visual. But for that we need to have again the count of males and females, and these are the and again go for the calculated field. Now here the previously calculated fields are there, so we go for one more calculated field, that is say the female count. We shall go for a female count function in this. So I will write the function, that is count if gender is equal to, as I have selected the name as female, so I will put female here. It's a very simple function. Then I need the gender. Okay, then I will end this and end this function. So apply and OK. So I am getting a count of female here. You can verify these numbers this way. Okay, now again I need to duplicate this function and then edit this function and then make the changes. Now it is a male count. Here also I have to change this one, and again the calculation is valid. Apply OK. Now here I can get the count of the males. I will edit this and I will replace this name. I don't want to keep it as copy, so apply and OK. So this is available with me now. Now what we have to do, go for all the fields here and say I want to check it for the, say, the colors, what are their choices for, and our objective is to create a butterfly chart. So I will put the male and female measures, that is female here and male measure here. So I am getting these two bar charts now. Other options are also available, but as we are having a purpose here to go for the butterfly chart, now here we have to change the axis of this. So select this, edit this axis. You will get this dialog box where general and tick marks is there. So what you have to do is just make it reversed. Okay, and now you get female count over here, male count over here, but only this thing we need in the central axis. And to put that central axis, we are already having a 0 axis here with us, so we have to put this value here. So you got these values like this, and to continue further on modifying this chart, we shall go in the second video.